Che, I don't forget my homework. Oh, my rush, good one. Nah. Hi. So. Papa phone be that.
Chai!
The bank manager. Ciao. I wonder my papa need the work, but in the game money.
Not be juju be that.
It's like maybe na bank they send them all this money.
You be mumu.
What I go do now? Mmakwara think. Think. Not good this your brain. If na money they want send, say man send my papa account number. I go send my. If they call him again now, I go pick him. They just call again now. I don't pick him. Now they wait him. They just call again.
Hello?
Hello, are you Mr. Nwagbason?
Yes, I am Mr. Nwagbason.
Okay, it's the bank manager from the bank.
Yes, I remember the bank.
We are calling in respect of the loan you took from us.
Okay, yes, I remember the loan, yes.
Please, sir, we are coming to claim the collateral, your son that used to do collateral. We are coming to claim him. And my bank security team will come and pick your son. Please prepare him for coming immediately.
Yes, but see, Mmakwara is not around though. His mother taking him out for holiday, so I expect him in 2 weeks' time. But never you worry, you come and take me.
Take you?
Of Mmakwara, yes.
But it's not the plan, it's not the deal.
Don't worry, as Mmakwara is not yet back, you take me.
Okay, we are coming right away.
Okay, thank you.
So now what in this man they plan for me? I be Joseph when go send me. What I go do now?
No.
Mama Tana home. Na dear what they wrong. Mama, I go Mama Tana home. No. Carosh. Oh, you sleep fast. I bet. Papa,
Where are you running to?
Papa, I'm going to Mama Tana home.
Your maternal home?
Yes, Papa.
But this time?
Yes, Papa. Because first of all, Papa, enjoy your house.
How?
Papa, enjoy your house. The house is yours. Now you will not sleep well, Papa. I'm going to my maternal home, Papa.
You are going to your maternal home?
Yes, Papa.
What is happening? What is this? What is happening? Why would this boy leave the house and say the house is compatible for me? What is really happening? The only boy that I stay with in the house that even gives me joy. He doesn't even know the road to his maternal home.
You think say they're wise?
Oh, is it what Bena is planning for me? But
God,
this is after 4. And Mmakwara is going to his maternal home to come back when? You can make up with it. You can make up with it. You can make up with it.